Hey guys, I am one of the creators of microwaveproductions.
I'm one of the gamers.
Ish.
I am.
I'm Dan Ward. That's the one, the gay one sitting on the iPad. That one.
He's not gay.
It's not gay.
He's really dark.
And he plays
Proper Mendos.
Xbox, yes. And he's the guy who does most of the funny things, and I'm finessing him.
I am.
This is Sasha.
Also known as Sasha Robinson.
Yeah.
And I'm a PC gamer.
I am Dan Ward, and I am a PS3 gamer, but we probably won't do any of those videos. We just do random videos.
Yeah, we might do pranks like later on. Maybe. Yeah.
Backfile modding, Matrix, something like that.
Yeah, just stuff.
Okay. And do subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. And we love this video.
This kid right here hardly talks.
Yeah, I'm the
okay.
I'm the editor. This is the gamer. This is the guy who does crazy shit.
Yeah,
I'm the actual person that does shit. So.
I'm the editor.
Oh, me? Okay.
Yeah.
Subscribe
and
We love
watch our first video.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.